I'll be showing you the top GDPR apps for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we'll be taking a look at is called Concento GDPR Compliance. So you can protect your customer data with the first built-for-platform GDPR compliance app. So you can boost trust and security with quite a few different regulations here, and it's perfect for Shopify stores in the EU, Switzerland, UK, and more. So it's going to make it super easy to create these cookie banners that a customer can then accept. And it's going to be the first thing that's going to pop up when a customer visits your store. It's also going to have detailed cookie information per category for visitors seeking a better understanding of the cookies they're going to accept. There's quite a few different designs as well. It's going to allow for quite a bit of customization, making this super easy to set up. In terms of pricing, there is a 7-day free trial and a completely free plan for under 10,000 app impressions per month. Then it's going to go up in price depending on the number of impressions. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 800 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI review summary, merchants appreciate the check your compliance function, customizable cookie banner, and the free plan's comprehensive features. The next app we'll be taking a look at is called Avada GDPR Compliance for EU and the UK. So again, it's going to be an easy cookie banner so you can master lawful browsing with a compliance GDPR app. It's going to include 10 plus pre-designed themes, as well as AI auto translation. It's going to make it super easy for cookie management so you can gather and manage cookies, as well as consent activities. It's going to integrate seamlessly with Shopify customer privacy, the Metapixel, and the Google consent mode. You can have a dynamic display, so you can choose where this pop-up is going to show up in your Shopify store. It's going to give you a dashboard, so you can see metrics such as the number of impressions and how many were accepted. In terms of pricing, there's a free to install plan. That's going to give you tracking, unlimited impressions, and a custom cookie banner. And you can have one extra language. As you go up in price, you're going to get more features, such as a cookie scanner, and unlimited extra languages. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with over 1,000 5-star reviews. And if we look at the AI summary, merchants appreciate it for its user-friendly setup, efficient performance, and GDPR compliance features. The third app we'll be taking a look at is called Pandex GDPR Compliance. So you can ensure compliance effortlessly and boost trust with transparent cookie banner management. Again, it's going to integrate with quite a few different regulations beyond just GDPR, and it gives you multiple banners and styles. You can also scan your store and easily generate a cookie policy, and it's going to auto block and work with Google consent mode. And it's also going to have multiple languages and translations. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial. There is a completely free plan. We're going to get mobile friendly, customer data requests, EU language presets, and more. Then as you move up in price, you're going to get more features such as design support, recommendations, Google Translate, and the JavaScript API. In terms of reviews, also sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 1.3 thousand 5-star reviews. Merchants appreciate this app for its GDPR compliance features, including a cookie consent banner, data request erasure package, and a cookies declaration page. Lastly, we have Omega GDPR/CCPA cookie banner. So it's a fully customizable and easy cookie banner setup tool. Again, it's going to integrate with more than just GDPR. Your cookie banner, your playground. You can customize and create the most attractive cookie banners to match your site's aesthetics. And you can manage your cookies with a powerful scanner, letting you clean up the unused cookies for peace of mind. There's also data request management, so merchants can respond efficiently and transparently to customer inquiries, as well as to maintain compliance with relevant data privacy laws. There's support for multiple languages and translations, and it's going to include an auto blocker and Google consent mode version 2. In terms of pricing, there's a completely free plan, and the most expensive plan is $7 a month with a few more features. There's a 3-day free trial as well for those paid plans. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 200 5-star reviews, and merchants appreciate this app for its affordability, user-friendly interface, and customization options. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know it can be hard to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's a one-click calculator, so all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations and to see how profitable your store actually is. It's going to include a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can truly understand your store's performance and make smarter business decisions. It's going to link seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as many cost of goods sold options. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test everything out for yourself. And there's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also find it in the Shopify app store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. So make sure you check that out there. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top GDPR apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.